Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And we're going to show you how to do a front-facing latch installation for your Britax Marathon, Boulevard, or Advocate ClickTight car seats. Before you install your chair, always read the owner's manual so you know exactly how the car seat's going to go in your vehicle. One installation is not the same in every car. You also need to make sure that your car is parked on a flat surface so you can get an accurate reading on the recline position. The car seats are color coded. Blue is for rear facing, green is for front facing. And on both sides of the car seat, there's your leveling device. As we're securing the car seat to the vehicle, we have to make sure that the black ball is somewhere in the green range. If you do need to change the angle, right on the front of the car seat here, there's a red trigger. If you squeeze that trigger, you're able to adjust the recline. So remember, we just need to position it so the black ball is in the green. Next, we need to release our top tether and latches from their storage compartments. The top tether is located on the back here. We're just going to open this up and we're going to take the top tether out. The latches are stored at this bottom compartment near the bottom back of the car seat. So we're going to open up the door and get the latch straps out. Before we can attach the latch connectors, we need to make sure that we loosen up the strap as much as possible. To loosen it, there's two things you have to do. You have to hold down the gray button. You need to push and squeeze it down. And then your other hand is going to grab the bottom strap and pull it apart. So the top strap tightens, the button plus the bottom strap will loosen. And we want to make sure the strap is completely straight. You don't want it to be twisted or tangled. Next, we have to open up the car seat. So right on the front of the chair here, there's a button that says ClickTight. You're going to push it. It's going to look like a little key. You're going to turn it clockwise, and the whole front of the car seat is going to open up. There's a blue arrow to let you know that's for rear facing, and a green arrow for front facing. So now that our ClickTight door is open, we can grab our latch strap, and we're going to make sure that the strap is going through the green front facing section. So we're going to slide the latch strap through the gap in the plastic here. Same thing for the other side. Make sure nothing is twisted or tangled. If you're not sure where the latches are on your vehicle, you need to look at your owner's manual. They'll tell you exactly where they are. In my car, there are these little buttons with a picture of a car seat. And right under the buttons, there's an opening in the fabric. And inside the opening is the metal latch bar. So when you're connecting the latch connectors, make sure the flat part is facing up and you're going to connect it down onto the bar. There's one. And then we can do the other side. Two. Once both sides are attached, make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat as far as it can go. And then we're going to pull on the top strap to get it nice and snug. Now, the great thing about the ClickTight is that it does most of the tightening for you. So when you're tightening the latch strap, don't make it super tight. You just want to get rid of any loose slack. Because when we close the ClickTight door, it's going to close on the latch strap and it's going to do most of the tightening for you. Once you close the door all the way you're going to test it is with one hand, grab it from either side. As long as the car seat doesn't slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. We can now go to the trunk and attach our top tether. So here's my tether strap. I'm just going to throw it back there because my tether is in the trunk. Your tether might be directly behind the headrest. It's different depending on your vehicle. So if you don't know where the tether is, check your manual. But for my car, we can head to the trunk now. All right, so here's my trunk. The metal bar sticking out is our tether point, and there's even a picture of a car seat right next to it. Again, if you're not sure where the tether is in your vehicle, check your owner's manual. You don't want to mix this up with the cargo hook. Just like the latch connectors, make sure the flat part is facing outward. You're going to click it in, and then you're going to pull on the top strap to tighten. And this doesn't have to be super tight. You just want to get rid of the loose slack that's there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.